How to delete all archived stories on Instagram. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Here you want to go ahead and tap on your activity. Here under removed and archived content, you want to tap on archived. As you do that, you'll be able to see archive stories. If not, tap on the drop down button on the top and tap on Story Archive. Here, Instagram does not have any feature to delete all the archive stories all at once, but what you can do is you can delete your archive stories one by one. For that, you want to tap on the story, tap on 3 dots on the bottom right corner, then tap on delete. Tap on delete again. Now you have to do this to all your stories. It might take some time, but that is all we can do to delete all archived story on Instagram. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.